spin it like.
Guys, if you don't believe me, I will really give fidget spinners to all of you, and I've already have picked one, and there's two more to subscribe, and there's two more people or out there wants a fidget spinner, and I pick one. It's Christoph Does Vlogs. He will now own this kind of blue camouflage fidget spinners. If you don't believe me, I will give more fidget toys like this fidget cube. This is actually not, this is mine actually. It's pink and it's a fidget cube. And mine is the Captain America logo. As you can see. Now I'm very happy, 100% happy, because everything I need is in my life right now, and I can't believe that I really have a new fidget spinner, and my glowing fidget spinner at Christoph's house. I don't know where it is, and this is my old fidget spinner. It's already broken, but I can still use this. Look. So, if you want to win a fidget spinner, go subscribe my channel, like my videos, and don't forget to don't forget to press the notification button so you'll get notified whether I make a new upload video. And tomorrow I will vlog at Christoph Does Vlogs house, and so peace out. Not yet peace out, so I'm gonna show you like this. This is a fidget cube. So if you can see here, like, I'm gonna show you. So okay guys, so as you can see, I have a fidget cube here, and I'm gonna show you where. So this has nothing, only a blank space to put your thumb in it, and just like this is how I always like to do. I always like to do is like press like this on and off like this. I'm gonna show you here. It's so very mesmerizing, so satisfying. This, look. See? Next one is this one. It's like a thingy here, I don't know. And there's a metallic ball, and you can see the camera here. Now that's all, and here is like buttons here. Not about, but it's cool though. And here is the disc one here. You need to spin it like this. And here is the thing for joysticks. Here, look. See, it is very nice to have a fidget cube. Now the next one is. This one is for Christoph Does Vlogs. He says on Instagram he wants a camouflage or blue, so I'll make it combination of two, camouflage blue. So Christoph Does Vlogs, if you're watching this, don't forget to don't be happy, and yeah guys, but I'm not gonna actually vlog. Still vlog, and what am I saying? Okay guys, so tomorrow I'm just gonna vlog. So this vlog is not much longer, so I'm just gonna show you this one, Christoph Does Vlogs. It matches his YouTube picture, yeah, profile. It's blue. And mine is red. You can see it matches. See? Captain America, look. Captain America. And that's pretty much it. And I'll see you when I'm done packing this fidget spinners. Guys, now it was very fun, and I'm here. So yeah, guys, this is what's fidget spinner. So I'm gonna go outside to So here, and here.
First, you gotta check out this.
Look at this fidget spinner. It's a Spider-Man fidget spinner. That's Dwight's fidget spinner. This is Dwight, by the way. Here, look.
Nice, let's do it.
And we're watching FGTV, so here it is.
Hi guys, welcome to the Spinner Challenge. Today you are going to. You're excited, aren't
That's
you?
what it
Today
looks
we're going
like.
to put your hands inside the box. We have 20. There's 20.
What's that? So I'm gonna go.
Get out of here, boys.
So that's what it looks like. That on you're in camera. What are you eating? Popcorn? What flavor? Cheese? Can I have?
Who wants my legendary Batman? Wants to get my legendary Batman? It's for
Free.
for
What?
Captain America or not?
Want this? Eat.
No.
Eat.
I'll never give you one.
Is it good? Thumbs up. Approve. Yeah. Dab. Hey. Dab. Hey. Approve. Dab.
Hey guys, look at
Hey.
that spinner. It looks like a shield when you spin it.
Can I give it?
Okay, here you go.
So-
I'll give it a puppy.
Guys, I'm gonna end this vlog right now. And if you want more vlogs, stay tuned for the video. Subscribe my channel. If you're new here, I'm Dwayne. This is my house and it is Daily Bro. Peace out. Woo!